इसी प्रोग्राम की एक मेंटर आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं।
Dr.
आइए
Anila.
उनसे बात करते हैं।
Yeah, I'm Dr. Anila Ari, my PhD in environmental health and safety, and I'm an entrepreneur for a business called Environmental Health and Safety Solution. It's a private limited company, and it originated from NIC Quetta, and it's been 2 years that it is fully functional, and we have trained different multiple number of clients so
Hmm.
far.
That's nice. Dr. Neela is a mentor for Entrepowered and she has had different mentorship sessions with our new entrepreneurs और बहुत अच्छे इनके informative sessions हो चुके हैं हमारे साथ। आज हमने इनको invite किया to talk more on her story and her background and how she became an entrepreneur. So Dr. Neela, I'll just start from the beginning. मुझे बताएं about your studies and I think you studied science
Yeah,
background है ना आपका?
yeah.
तो यूजुअली साइंस का यही होता है कि अच्छा विल डू अ 9 to 5 जॉब, लाइक
Mm,
इनोवेशन और सॉल्यूशंस की तरफ लोग नहीं
mm.
जाते। सो हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट दैट?
Okay. Interestingly, I am doing 9 to 5 job also.
ओके,
I'm
ओके,
a professor in environmental sciences and bioterms from the
दैट्स
environmental
वंडरफुल।
sciences department. And about my education, I'm a psychologist also and a clinical psychologist. And along with that, I started my entrepreneur journey inspired with NIC Incubation Center, Quetta. So when I first came to this place, I thought that big things can happen here. And I have, if I talk about my own self, I can't work in comfort zone. That is the biggest problem. That's why I have a, multidimensional field experience and the degrees also, if you call it so, like
नहीं, बहुत
from
डाइवर्स आपकी डिग्रीज हैं।
yeah, yeah, starting from psychology to then environmental sciences, then from teaching area to entrepreneur. So when I came to NIC, I thought that something different can happen through which I don't need to, continuously seeking more or moving to something more. In fact, I can create something concrete which can be very useful for everybody around and that can fulfill my inner zest also. So when I started my sessions at NIC, I realized that this is something really where you create something. And when I started working on it, it became my baby, which was in incubation, literally, which was just taking few breaths, sometimes with no breaths even. So its sustenance was dependent on me. And I have that kind of a, personality characteristic that when I own something, I don't just leave it for the sake of that I can't do it. So it became kind of a challenge too. And being a female, I heard from the male dominating society also, from the people, that you can't do it.
बिल्कुल।
Yeah, so that was where I thought that really I can't do it because my field is more inclined towards male oriented
मेल
businesses.
डोमिनेटिंग सोसाइटी है और
Yeah,
बिजनेसमैन,
so
बिजनेस वुमेन का
businessman.
तो वर्ड ही शायद नहीं सुना
Yeah.
हुआ लोगों ने।
And by my own nature, I'm a very introvert personality. So everybody thought that no, you can't talk to the people, you can't convince them, you can't pitch your business to everyone. So there I thought that now again I need to, break that stereotype that no, it's not like that. People can't define you. You have to create your own definition. So that's what my ideology is, create your own version rather than people define you. So you give them that what you are. So I love when people criticize me. That's the energy for me. So I love all those my competitors, you can say, or the negative influencing environment that is being surrounded by me. And then with that energy, I try to create a synergy for people who think that they cannot do it because somebody has told them to that no, you can't do it. So
एवरीबडी।
that's why I'm an entrepreneur, that I want to break that thing that you can do it. So when I'm dealing with my clients, so my motive is not only to give them the services that they are required, it's much more like to give them self-fulfilling experience for being with us. So that's what environmental health and safety solution is all about. And we are still, alhamdulillah, stuck with our vision and the
That's nice.
mission.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, and our tagline is also your safety assurance.
Oh.
So whether it is related to your mental health, psychological health, your physical health, your social environment, so it covers everything all together, and this is what we do.
So you just take care of people.
Yeah, overall their working environment,
That's
because
nice.
everything matters.
That's wonderful. So being a woman entrepreneur in Quetta, I can understand there are different communities over here. Her community की अपनी reservations
yeah,
होती हैं. So you must
totally.
have faced some kind of challenges when you started out. एक stable 9 to 5 job के अलावा आपने सोचा मैं business करूँगी. So क्या क्या कुछ challenges आप बताएंगी जो आपने face किए and how did you overcome them?
Challenges सिर्फ इतना है कि people don't take you seriously when you tell them that this is my entrepreneur idea when I was at the idea stage. तो जब हम लोग idea में जब भी किसी को pitch करती थी तो उनको लगता था कि नॉन सीरियस सी होगी, अच्छा सिर्फ एक आइडिया है, नहीं कर पाएगी. सो दे यूज टू गिव वेरी बॉसी काइंड ऑफ कमेंट्स एंड द सजेशंस. तो एक हर्डल यह है कि आपको वो सीरियस नहीं लेते हैं एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर.
Do you think it's because of ये gender based discrimination sort of है?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I totally and I think that is the main reason. That is the main reason. इसके अलावा I think so far my journey has been really very peaceful. Maybe I'm not thinking to have a very big high jumps. I'm taking turtle steps. That's what I call my journey as.
Yeah, I think the gradual changes matter more.
Yeah. So I think कि मुझे शायद वो challenges इसलिए नहीं challenges लग रहे कि I'm not so desperate कि मैंने एकदम कोई high potential, कोई high jump लगा के कहीं पहुंचना है. मैं जिस स्पीड से जा रही हूँ आई थिंक आई एम ओके. और फिर ऐसा है सेट कि मुझे नेगेटिव कमेंट्स और ये सब इतनी बॉदर नहीं करती. इवन इफ समबडी सेज कि नहीं आपके इस आइडिया में या आप जो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं इट्स नॉट गुड, आई टेक इट एज अ strength, as a challenge, that at least कि वो मुझे बता रहे हैं कि प्रॉब्लम है क्या. So I fix that problem and then obviously that's how you grow. So overall in I think Balochistan is a high pitch area जहाँ पे आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Exactly.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे
There's
business
so
है
much
नहीं.
potential.
There's so much potential.
Market खुली पड़ी है आपके
खुली
लिए.
पड़ी है.
Yes.
100% खुली है. और यहाँ पे जितना पोटेंशियल है किसी भी लिहाज से, मैं अपने बिजनेस से हट के भी अगर बात करूँ, जैसे आपके प्रोग्राम में मैंने मेंटरशिप की और जितने मैंने मेंटी से मैं मिली, उन सब के जो आइडियाज़ थे एक से एक बढ़ के,
All very unique.
all giving some value to the society. सब में पोटेंशियल, सब में लीडरशिप स्किल्स, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उन सब लेडीज़ के अंदर लीडरशिप स्किल्स थी. तो वो मेंटोर और मेंटी जो रिलेशनशिप होता भी है उसमें आप वाइस वर्सा दोनों तरीके से सीख रहे होते हैं. सो दैट वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस. सो आई थिंक कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन कि कोई स्पेसिफिक मैंने कोई चैलेंज फेस किया हो, तो एज बीइंग अ एंटरप्रेन्योर अपार्ट फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स, none.
Okay, that's great. What is one advice you would give to female entrepreneurs, especially in Quetta, in this region, के for their motivation, क्या advice देंगी आप उनको?
I would just suggest one thing. That won't be a one advice. There will be a step of advices. First, don't listen to others who tell you that you can't do it. You can do it. And you have to channelize your own ways. Second, don't depend on anybody. इन क्वेटा हमारा एक आप इस चीज़ को नहीं हटा सकते जो ग्राउंड रियलिटी है. हमारे कल्चर का एक पार्ट है कि मेल आपको लीड करेगा. लेट देम, बट टीच देम. That's how I have made my own channels. I'm the only female entrepreneur in my family. And I'm the first one in my family who is working as in the academia also. So it's a, like generational break also, you can say that. So how did that happen? It happened through by, आप पानी के ऊपर पत्थर के ऊपर भी पानी गिरता है तो सुराख होने शुरू हो जाता है. So you have to continuously. तो रेजिस्टेंस नहीं लानी. लाइक हर किसी को ये लगता है कि औरत को अगर हम एजुकेट करेंगे तो वो रिबेलियस हो जाएगी. नो, औरत को भी ये सिखाने की ज़रूरत है आई थिंक मॉरली, कि कभी भी अपनी कोई जंग लड़ के लड़ने से मतलब ये कि अब्यूसिव होकर या रिबेलियस होकर अपनी जंग ना लड़ें.
Hmm.
बी पोलाइट एंड टीच देम, मेक योर ओन वेज. आई थिंक इस पे भी हमें एक कोई सेशंस देने चाहिए.
Why not? Yes, definitely
या
needed.
दैट आपने, क्योंकि हर घर का इन्वायरमेंट डिफरेंट होता है, ये भी एक फैक्ट है.
Hmm.
हम इससे इग्नोर नहीं हो सकते. आपके घर में, हर घर में कोई भाई या कोई किसी के फादर या इवन मदर्स लड़कियों के लिए एक रिस्ट्रिक्टेड माहौल बना देते हैं.
Hmm.
अब वो उनकी मजबूरी है,
Yes.
वो भी गलत नहीं है.
उन रिलेशंस को भी आपने लेके चलना है साथ.
यस, आपने उनको लेके भी चलना है. और मैं ये भी बात यहाँ पे ज़ाहिर करूँगी कि वो भी गलत नहीं है,
बिल्कुल ठीक
क्योंकि
है अपनी
हमारा
जगह पे.
इन्वायरमेंट सेफ़ नहीं है.
हम्म.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बिल्कुल सेफ़ नहीं है, लेकिन आप उसको सेफ़ बनाते कैसे हैं, आप अपने घर वालों को कैसे ट्यून करते हैं. आपने अपनी प्रोटेक्शन खुद करनी है, कैसे करनी
इट्स
है.
ऑल इन योर अप्रोच.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट अप्रोच. आपको रूड होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन बी, आपको बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट स्टिल यू आर प्रोटेक्टिव. आपको एब्यूसिव होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट यू कैन. सो वी नीड टू एजुकेट आवर वुमेन हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड हाउ टू क्रिएट योर ओन स्पेस विदाउट फाइटिंग योर अननेसेसरी फाइट.
मुझे एक बात याद आई, इसी मुझे एक एडवाइस दी थी किसी ने. व्हेन योर वर्ड्स हैव पावर, यू डोंट नीड टू रेज योर वॉल्यूम.
ट्रू.
हाँ, ऊंचा बोलने की ज़रूरत ही तब पड़ती है जब आपके वर्ड्स में, कंटेंट में पावर ना हो.
यस.
तो
एंड
अदरवाइज
एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड. अगर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वुमेन की बात की जाए कि वो कैसे अपने बैरियर्स को ब्रेक कर सकती हैं, तो उसमें एक रीज़न ये है, जब आप अपने घर में ही ऐसी उनको अपनी एबिलिटीज़ दिखा रहे हैं, तो कौन नहीं छोड़ेगा आपको. लेकिन आप
एग्जैक्टली.
ये बोलो कि नहीं मैंने कुछ करना है, तो दूसरा तो भी पूछेगा ना क्या करना है. सो
और
यू.
मैंने आपको बताना भी नहीं है, पर मैंने करना है.
हाँ.
हाँ, ये आप जज करेंगे मुझे, लेकिन मैंने करना है, तो मैं नहीं आपको बता रही.
यस.
So I think creating those relationships with your family also,
यस,
keeping
हेल्दी
them in
रिलेशन.
confidence.
यस.
और इसी पे मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, how did your family support you? Like वो किस तरह से, how was that process for you?
आई थिंक कि टेलिंग यू ऑनेस्टली कि सपोर्टिव, बहुत सपोर्टिव. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माई teaching job when I was unmarried and I was very young. I just did my master's, and within 2 months I got my job in Butams. I joined Butams in 2005.
Okay.
I was very young at that time, and so my father did have some kind of, reservations. Like we had 9 to 5 job, so he was like, "How I can't leave you till 5. You have to
Somewhere,
come back by
yes.
2 or 1." So I was even okay because I was not so passionate for the job. But I had a support of my brother. He's a barrister, and he at that time came from UK. So he was of that approach that she should do it. So I think in my journey, there's a big role of my elder brother. At that time, I wasn't that passionate
So you
also.
had someone जिसका open mind था इन
Open
चीज़ों के
mind
लिए.
tha, and he was thought, no, she is going. And my father was supportive, but he had just only the time
Reservations. I
reservations.
understand.
But then
Comes with the.
then my brother had a full support with me. So with that, I had no issue at that time working. And then alhamdulillah, I think I had been lucky in my working experience that when I got married, my husband always supported me. And then I think if you have a balanced life, you do need a support from your husband. Then again, we need sessions on that also to teach women that
Yes. Yes.
that don't take it to that how to handle that thing too.
Exactly.
That if my husband is supportive, it's not because he is that kind of a person that he is supportive. You have to give a lot
back as well.
back
It's
as well.
It's a two-way
a
thing.
two-way thing. So I had been lucky that he has been supportive too. So with the entrepreneur journey, there are some ups and downs because you're dealing with random people. You have contact with random people, which is
हर
not the
तरह के
part
लोग.
of my personality even. But I've changed a lot in 2 years. If I look back,
मैं भी नहीं बता सकती कि आप इंट्रोवर्ट हैं.
yeah,
लगता नहीं है.
Yeah.
You said कि you have a 9 to 5 job and you have a business, a running business which is successful as well. How do you manage your time?
oh my God, that is so difficult. That is like that's not easy. I must say that even 5 job is difficult.
It is. It is.
It's
I
a
do a 9
long
to 5, and after 5, I can't do anything.
yeah, and then when you have kids, and then you have a toddler,
A toddler. And then a
so
husband
and
who's
then a husband. So
also
there
sort
are,
of a kid.
yeah, 3 kids altogether.
Yes.
Then you have to look after the whole home system. Also, the home system runs by a female. So definitely it's not easy. I won't say that easy. And that's what it is called, coming out of from your comfort zone. That's what it is. If I have to be just, do what I do every
Living an
day,
easy life.
easy life, then I think I would not have been where I am. Though I'm not very in a very high position at the moment, but it is difficult. But in overall, time management is important. You have to sacrifice few things, and the few things, it counts your luxury time, your me time,
Your personal
sometimes
time,
your
yes.
personal time, yeah.
बिल्कुल.
But that is also manageable if you follow your time routine. Like आप वैसे normally अगर मैं पहले किसी टाइम कुछ भी आप कोई काम कर लें, फिर कोई काम कर लें, तो आप फ्लेक्सिबल होके कुछ भी एक अपना डे रूटीन गुजार सकते हैं. लेकिन दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल in my routine.
Yes.
If like even me, नमाज की भी टाइमिंग्स अगर आगे पीछे हो जाए तो पूरा रूटीन आगे
Upset हो
पीछे
जाता
होता है.
है.
हाँ, अगर मैं नहीं चलूँगी तो फिर वो चीज़ें आपकी अपसेट होती हैं. तो मोस्टली आई एम वर्किंग, आई थिंक कि जब तक सो नहीं रही होती तो कभी कभी नींद में भी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है कि किस तरीके से काम होना है और कैसे काम
Yes.
होना है. तो
Yes.
ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट ईजी. सो फॉर द फीमेल्स आई वुड से कि अगर इफ़ यू आर रेडी टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ योर a lot of things, and if you want to see yourself successful, or success की भी definition सबके लिए subjective है. For me, the success is something different. So अगर आप उन सब के लिए ready हैं तो you have to give few sacrifices.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Yeah.
ऐसे ही है. You're right. Sacrifices are necessary. Time management is necessary.
Time management is very important. इसके ऊपर भी हम लोग वैसे trainings कराते हैं ये solutions
Yes.
पे.
Yes. That's nice. Good job. We'll ask you for those trainings.
Yeah.
Looking to the future, where do you see yourself, business point of view, say in the next 10 years, and also for other entrepreneurs as well? What do you think is the future for entrepreneurs the next 10 years?
Yeah, definitely. I'll answer this question first, that if the future is for entrepreneurs, then definitely yes. And I think females do need to come on the front line, because I think if we can manage the house, we can manage the business also well.
Yes, they are good managers.
Yeah, they are
We
good.
are.
Yeah, definitely we are good managers, and we have too much potentials. Like I think the creation of every human is based on a purpose. So find your purpose, basically.
बिल्कुल.
And the future is of entrepreneurs, either male or female, for both, for the young. And I think the entrepreneur learning and the teaching should start at a very early stage. Like my son is 13 years old, so I tell him few things like that, though I want him to be something else, but since he's watching me, so in an indirect way, I'm teaching him if something goes wrong, he should be able to survive.
You should be able to jump back.
Yeah, into something. So we do need that.
So where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
Okay, for next 10 years. I never thought, as I told you, I don't think about something really very big, which one should. But obviously, I see EHS solutions going on a big heights. I had few dreams for the. I had 2 years planned too, and alhamdulillah, I did achieve them.
Mashallah, that's
Yeah.
great.
I wanted कि मैं एक ट्रेनिंग कराऊं जिसमें बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगाऊं. आपकी छोटी छोटी सी ख्वाहिशें होती हैं ना,
Small
जब आप
goals, small goals.
अपने उसमें जो है प्रोसेस में चल रहे होते हैं, और तो आप जब बहुत कंस्ट्रेंट्स के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो छोटी छोटी अचीवमेंट्स आपके बहुत बड़ी बड़ी
It matters a
अचीवमेंट्स
lot.
होती हैं.
Yes, yes.
तो एक बिग ड्रीम मेरा ये है, आई टेल यू द ड्रीम may it get successful, that I want to see the billboard of EHS solution
जरूर होगा.
on the
Definitely
yeah
होगा.
on the high, all the billboards of Quetta city. That's my
I think you will
target.
achieve it. Maybe this year also.
या मे बी. सो वो आप तब काम करते हैं जब आप अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी बना चुके होते हैं. लाइक फॉर मी, आप उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी एक आपके ड्रीम्स हैं
Hmm.
कि वो बोर्ड आप ऐसे ही तो नहीं लगाएंगे ना।
Exactly.
आपके पास पूरा ऑफिस सेटअप हो, आपके पास बड़ा स्टाफ हो, कि जब आप बोर्ड लगाएंगे डेफिनेटली 10 or 15 phone calls will ring from the corporate sector. So
I
are you
see.
ready for that?
True. True.
When
You
you're
need to
doing
think.
then, yes, and because I'm running a business, हम कभी वो प्रोजेक्ट अनाउंस नहीं करते जिसके लिए हम रेडी नहीं हैं। हम सिर्फ वो प्रोजेक्ट्स अनाउंस करते हैं जिसके लिए हम रेडी होते हैं।
Another learning that you need to be sure what you're ready for.
Yes. हालांकि EHS covers everything. Everything you just
Oh, you
name
told
it.
me it's very diverse.
It's very diverse और हम tailored भी उसको करते हैं, international trainings provide करते हैं। Even today my one of the training is running on Ayush construction.
Okay, wonderful.
So not Ayush, OSHA construction.
Okay.
On the OSHA compliance. So हमने वो भी तब announce की when we were ready. So we don't just announce and do everything, anything that we are not ready for. So we are taking, that's why I say we are taking total steps. और billboards का मतलब है that we have covered everything.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's nice.
that we
That's
have the employees, we have good, layout of everything,
A team,
resources, everything. Yes, starting from the single pen to a huge setup. Yeah,
That was wonderful. Thank you so much,
you're so welcome.
Dr. Neela, for giving us your time.
Thank you.
We had a lovely session.
Thanks for inviting me.
Yes, thank you so much.